ESG Questions section. Now that your projects are selected, you will see the project names in the left-hand menu. Each bullet in the left-hand menu represents a questionnaire. Every submission has a corporate questionnaire where you answer questions for the company as a whole, and a questionnaire per project, where you answer questions specific to the project. The type of questionnaire loaded in is dictated by the stage selection on the Your Projects page. Within the ESG Questions section is a Questionnaire Navigator dropdown at the top of the main content area, showing how many sections there are in the questionnaire. This allows you to jump to different sections of the questionnaire. Each question is formatted in the same way with 3 tabs: Your Response, Question Guidance, and Related Standards. Question Guidance provides rationale around why the question is being asked. Related Standards shows the global standards the question maps to. Supporting narrative can be entered to give the assessors extra context to your answers. If you cannot answer a question, you can use the supporting narrative to explain the reasons why. Every question has a supporting evidence area. Here you can drag and drop or select files that support your answer. If your evidence files are large documents, please indicate relevant page numbers in the supporting narrative so that the assessors can easily find the information. Autosave is in place so that edits you make are saved within seconds. Submissions cannot be edited by different people at the same time. You will be notified if one of your team members is trying to edit the submission at the same time as you. A copy link allows you to copy a direct link to that question, if for instance you need to ask someone on your ESG team to contribute to a specific question. There is a percentage complete indicator in the side menu to help you understand how complete the submission is. We offer a review of your submission by our head of ESG when you have completed over 50% of the submission so that we can provide advice. Contact us to book this in.